Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature one of the hottest new hair trends, the mini bob. Also known as the box bob style, this is the perfect in-between length of a lob and a pixie haircut, and typically ends just below or just above the jawline. It's a fresh take on the classic bob style and can be spotted with some tassel waves for some added texture or volume, or worn blunt and straight. Wondering how exactly the mini bob look can be worn? Let's take a look at how stylists are achieving this new go-to cut. If you feel inspired by any of these hair ideas within today's video, please feel free to give this one a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's take a look at how the mini bob hair trend can be worn.